Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 5. This is lesson number 13, Natural Calamities. In the previous videos, we have studied in this lesson some natural disasters like earthquake, their causes, and some preventive measures. Then we have also seen tidal waves and volcanoes, and the three types of volcanoes with examples: active volcano, dormant volcano, and extinct volcano we have studied in detail. In today's video we will continue this lesson, natural calamities, with floods and droughts. Let's see what are floods. Flood is a situation in which a piece of dry land suddenly gets submerged under water. So here in this flooded area, you can see the unwanted water has entered to the city, to the dry land. So it happens because of heavy rainfall. It can happen because of the overflow of water reservoirs. When rivers or any other water reservoir, when it overflows, this water can enter to the cities, to the dry land, and it causes flood. So, heavy and continuous rainfall makes the rivers overflow. So, how the rivers gets overflow? Because of continuous rainfall, heavy rainfall, which makes the rivers overflow, that causes floods in nearby areas. Floods can also be caused by the collapse of a dam that makes the excess water flow into adjoining areas. So, flood also can happen because of the collapse of a dam. So from here also the water gets entered to the cities, which can wash away, which can destroy the city. Okay. So coastal areas are more prone to floods. Coastal areas means, I told you, the areas, the land beside the ocean or land beside the sea. Rapid changes in air pressure may result in sea storm. Because of sea storms also, water will enter to the dry land and it causes floods. Rapid changes in air pressure may result in sea storm. It is known as cyclone or typhoons, followed by heavy rains. This causes floods in the coastal areas. So because of different reasons, because of heavy rainfall, because of overflow of river or collapse of dam, or because of storm, also because of heavy rainfall, these floods can occur. Floods cause heavy damages to the crops. So first, the damages, when we talk about the damages or destruction caused by floods, it damages to the crops mostly, and lives and properties also. Along with floods come the most dreaded diseases like malaria, cholera, typhoid, and dengue. So because of this stagnant water after the floods, here the organisms, bacteria, germs, they can grow in that, and it can causes some diseases like malaria, cholera, and typhoid and dengue. Okay, so this is flood all about. Now we will see what are droughts. So quite opposite to the situation which we have seen in the floods, this drought hit field, you can see it is very dry and the cracked land. Here you have seen the full of water, and here no water. Here the destruction, damage is caused because of heavy flow of water, and here this drought causes because of no water. An area which get very little rainfall or no rainfall for the years, so it gets drought. So drought refers to the scarcity of water caused by an extended period of abnormally low rainfall. As I told you, very low rainfall or no rainfall causes drought. Drought affects plants, animals, and humans. All forms of lives it affects. It is a serious problem for farmers because of no water, no crop can be grown. For the farmers, it is a serious problem. Drought results from changes in Earth's atmosphere. Some droughts are caused by shifts in the winds that brings rain to an area. Others are caused by changing ocean currents that affect the temperature and moisture of the air. So the areas which do not get rainfall, there will be scarcity of water, shortage of water. So no water means no plants can grow, no crops can grow. Even animals may die because of shortage of water, and human beings also cannot survive in these dry regions. So the destruction caused by drought may be this damaging the crop or no crops or loss of lives of animals and human beings. Okay, children. So this is all about floods and droughts which we have seen. So in this lesson we have studied about the five natural disasters: earthquake, tidal waves means tsunami, volcanoes, floods, and droughts. So let's sum up the lesson. Earth's crust is made up of plates, as we have seen under the surface of the earth, how the plates are moving. Earthquakes cause loss of life and properties. Earthquakes may also cause tsunamis and landslides. When earthquakes occur in the ocean, it causes tsunami. How we measure the earthquake intensity of earthquake? We measure it by a seismograph. A seismograph records the shock waves produced in an earthquake. The Richter scale measures earthquakes based on the amount of energy they release. When a volcano erupts, it throws out huge amount of hot lava, ash, and poisonous gases. A tsunami is a huge ocean wave caused by an underwater earthquake or volcanic eruption. Floods occur due to heavy rainfall. Coastal areas are more prone to floods. Major cause of a drought is a very high temperature and no rains for a long time. Okay, these are the important points. We sum up the lesson, and in the word bank you can see some words and their meanings. Earthquake: a sudden violent shaking of earth's surface is called earthquake. What is volcano? Vent or an opening on earth's surface through which the lava or poisonous gases from deep inside earth can escape. Okay, through the opening we get lava, that is volcano. What are dormant volcanoes? A volcano that has not erupted for a long time but it is expected to erupt again in future. What is active volcano? A volcano that has erupted recently and can erupt any time again. What is tsunami? An extremely large wave usually caused by an underwater earthquake. So these are the new words and their meanings. Go through it. In the next lesson we will discuss about this textbook exercises and question answers. Okay children, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.